Hi everyone. In this video, we discuss how to download and install Java software. Before starts today's video, let us recall what have we discussed in our last video. Is Java platform independent? What is portability? Is Java supports multi-threading? Is Java architectural neutral? Why Java is slow compared to the C language? How many translators does Java use? After watching this video, you will be able to know how to download Java, what is JDK, how do we check if Java is installed or not in the system, how to set the path in Java, why do we set the path, can we execute Java program without setting the path. Now let us see the steps, how to download and how to install the Java. Open any browser and type Oracle Java JDK download or Java JDK download, and you may observe first link is related to the oracle.com. This is the official website for the Java. Click here. If you observe this web page, you can download Java software for the different operating systems. If you are using Linux operating system, click here and you can find the related files. If you are using Mac OS operating system, the relevant files available here. If you are using Windows operating system, click here and download the relevant file. I am using Windows operating system, so I want to download Windows related JDK. We have three files here: compressed archive file, installer file, MSI installer file. Archive means sometimes you no need to install, directly download and you can use it. Installer, it is a exe file. You need to install in your system and you can use it. Third one is MSI installer. MSI stands for Microsoft Installer. Generally, this is the method Microsoft suggested to install the softwares. Here I am using x64 installer. When you clicked on that, exe file will be downloaded. JDK 20 is the latest version at the time of the recording. And observe here we have the one more important point. Java 17, that is JDK 17, it is a LTS, that is long term support. Some people give the priority to the Java 17 because it is a long term support. But here I am downloading Java 20, that is latest version. So for that I am clicking here. So it is being downloaded. For every 6 months, generally Oracle released new versions. So you can expect JDK 21 in the September 2023. So JDK has downloaded. Just open that folder. So double click on that file. Click on next. Again next. All the required files, packages will be copied into your system. Successfully installed. Then click on close button. That's it. This is the installation process. Then how to check is Java installed or not successfully. For that, open the run, type cmd and click on OK. So this is the command prompt. Then type Java space ---- version. So it displays the installed version of the Java. You can observe this Java 20, that is JDK 20 was installed successfully. And let me use one more command, Java C, that is Java compiler. Is it working or not? Yes, it is working. The next, why do we need to set the path in Java? Even though we install the Java software successfully, those programs cannot be executed because we need to set the path. Then first try to understand what is path. Actually, path is an environment variable in all operating systems. In Unix, Windows, in all operating systems, the variable path is available. It's specifying a set of directories where the executable programs are located, where the required files are located. Generally, we need to set that path to this the variable path. The path is the name of the variable. For that, we need to give the path of the required tools. So in Java, path is used to locate the JDK packages that are used to convert the Java source code into the machine readable format. In simple terms, When we read the code that is in the high level language, the system cannot be understood that. The system must convert that source code into the system understandable format or machine readable format, that is binary format. For that we need to use some tools like Java, C and Java. Those are available at specific path in your system. Where those tools are available, you need to give that path as a value to this path variable. So if you done that, at the time of the compilation, your source code will take the help of this path variable and connect to that path. And in that path, what are the tools available like Java, C, Java? With help of those tools, your source code will be converted into the machine code. Then only that will be executed. Then let us see how to set the path. So search with environment variables, edit environment variables for your account. Click on it. Here we have two boxes, user variables, that is your account name will be displayed, and this is for the system variables. The difference between these two is, if one system is used by the more than one users, you can create accounts. If you create the accounts, one user data cannot be seen by the other users, even though they are using the same system. If you are not creating the accounts, one user's data can be seen by the other users. Go for the system variable if you want to set the path for the complete system, all the accounts. Or if you want to set the path for the single account or specified account, go for the user variables. Here we have path and click on edit and click on new. Here we need to paste the path where your Java tools are available in your system. For that, go to the C drive, program files, Java, JDK20, bin. This is the path. Required tools are available which are used to execute your program. Copy this path, go to the environment variable, paste that path here and click on OK. Again click on OK. That's it. This is how to set the path. Now you can execute the Java programs in your system after setting the path. Can we execute Java program without setting the path? Yes. Without setting the path also, we can execute the Java programs. But in that case, you need to save your source file, Java file, in the path of JDK and bin. So here the path is not required to be set because all the tools will be available in the current directory only. Just now we have seen where all the tools are available in the JDK folder, in the bin folder. If you saved your source code file in that location, no need to set the path because in that path only all the tools are available. However, if you have your Java file outside the JDK and bin folder, it is compulsory to set the path for the JDK. Check your knowledge what you learned from this video. How to download Java, what is JDK, how do we check if Java is installed or not in the system, how to set the path in Java, why do we set the path, can we execute Java program without setting the path. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and like and share with your friends. Thank you.